Their bones and stones and sacred artifacts of 250 million years rest beneath this vast Sahara sands. Remember the broken temple pillars, adorned with hieroglyphics of wrapped-up sleeping mummies. What about the pyramids standing close to the heavens? Do you remember the wisdom of the great library of Alexandria and the vibrant mosaic of ancient Nubian kingdoms? From the beautiful dark-skinned tall gods of the Sudans to the fair ones of the Khoisan South, all genetic mathematics emerge. All fingers pointing, anointing, and nominating Africa's genesis. No missteps of transient empire, not the rise and fall of temporary kingdoms has managed to dim this light. Africa lives. The very essence of humanity is done. Oh, great motherland, a perfect proof of creation's alchemy. Eternal birthplace of all that we know and all that we are. A beacon, unyielding and undying, leading through the shadows of history with primordial clarity. Africa, I salute you, great mother of endless blessings. People in diaspora, scattered offsprings have come to pay their homage.